SVT Garage. You guys asked for it, Novsight was listening. They sent us their completely plug-and-play LED bulbs for these cars. So this one right here is the N99. You guys saw us on Project Redfire install the N70s. The N70s are a little more in depth. It comes with its own separate harness, 2 relays that you kind of have to wire in. These are not that. These are 100% complete plug and play, nothing extra. I'd probably say start to finish,
5 minutes.
3 to 5 minute install. You guys are gonna watch us do it here. You're gonna see what these look like, and just see how simple and easy these Novsights are, and how awesome they look. Because I really do think that these lights for plug and play are awesome. You sacrifice a little bit, say, some power and some brightness, because again, those N70s have a completely its own relay and harness, so they are going to be a little brighter. These are not as bright, but they look amazing. So you got to kind of gauge how difficult you want to have to install some LED bulbs, and if these are for you, highly recommend it. So let's get into it. All right, guys. First up, what I love about a new Edge Mustang is just how easy the headlights come out. I wish every car was like this, because it's literally simple. Pull the, there's 2 pins, one and then the second one right here, all up front. And at this point, the headlight's free, minus backing it out. So what we're gonna do here is just disassemble these bolts, take them out. And then get the new ones in.
Alright guys, what's nice about this light is you can actually see the quality in it. It's not some cheap little light. And what's also cool about these is there's actually a little fan for cooling right on the end, so the LED doesn't get too hot. So basically with this, it's literally pop it right in, put your factory retaining clip in, and that's it. It's literally ready to go back on the car in 30 seconds.
So at this point, your new LED bulb's installed, okay?
Plug it in and you 2 clips and we're done.
And we're done. So minus getting in your turn signal over here, your Novsight is installed. So if you guys notice the back of this bulb here, we're not gonna make this a long drawn out thing. It's the exact same dimension, size, shape as the factory harness here. And this simply just plugs right in. Let me actually grab that so you guys can see. So again, we're just going to show you how awesome and easy this is. Make this so you guys can see here. That's it. There's your Novsight. Here's your factory harness. One-handed. Plugs right in. That's it. It's done. We're going to come back here and just plug in the other bulb, and then we'll get this put in. All right, we got both bulbs back in place. Let's push that back in real quick and see how easy that is. Again, guys, I love this about the new Edge cars. Removing and replacing the headlight is just super easy. So it's back in. He's got to put the 2 retaining clips back. That's it.
And we are all set.
All right. Guys, that is the complete install on the Novsight N99s.
Really nice product. I've ran a lot of LEDs and these just feel a lot, you know, they feel like just better quality than what I've ran before.
And they look good too.
They look good.
Well, let's show them real quick how that looks. Yeah, those look good, man. Huge shout out again to Novsight for sending us the lights, trusting us with this, and getting Big Bird bright again. Alright, just to show you guys in a little bit of darker light how awesome these look. So, nice and bright. Novsight, you guys nailed it. Great product. easy to install. All right, so you guys can go to novsights.com, use code SVTG at checkout, and save 20% on all their products. So go check them out, get your cars hooked up. They're hooking all our cars up. We appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. It's Chris.
Hey, it's Joe.
It's SVT Garage, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.